Tea Studio!
Day 187, Omega Digi Bible, Verse of the Day, Proverbs 28:6, in King James Version. Better is the poor that walketh in his uprightness, than he that is perverse in his ways, though he be rich. Proverbs 28:6. Thanks be to God po. Share the love.
Proverbs 28:6. In Tocqueville version, or in Papua New Guinea language, or Proverb 28:6. Rabis man pusat, iwo kabat long stret lapasin bilong in, iwinim, pusat ipaul, long ol pasin bilong en. Maski istap maniman, or Proverb 28:6. And in Tagalog version, Kawikaan 28:6. Maigi ang dukha na humalakad sa kanyang pagtatapat, kaysa sa suwail sa kanyang mga lakad, bagaman siya'y mayaman. Kawikaan 28:6. King James Pasing Bible. Talk thank you, Igolong God. Salamat sa Diyos. Thanks be to God. Share the love.